This right here is a $50 no deposit bonus, and you can get it for free. You can actually trade with it. Like you can see it right here. I got mine for free without KYC, and you can even withdraw from it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get this $50 no deposit bonus in case you are getting started in Forex and you don't have capital. Then this is how to get a free capital to trade. I noticed something surprising. 75% of you who watch my video haven't subscribed yet. Okay, so if you know that you're enjoying my content on Forex No Deposit Bonuses, please take a second to subscribe, like, and share my videos. You can also turn on the notification button so that you can get more content from me. Okay, so please do well to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's get into the video as I show you how to claim the $50 no deposit bonus, and the link to getting this bonus is going to be in the description below. Okay, so let's go.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. But before we register, we have to verify that we are humans. So as you can see, my verification is successful. So once you're done doing that, it's going to bring you over to this place where you're going to open an account. Okay, so we're just going to click on open an account. Then I'll be imputing my email address and my country. Okay, so once we're done doing that, we click on register. Then it brings us over to this place where I'm going to be imputing my first name and my last name. And I'll be making use of MetaTrader 4, which is a trading platform, and the account type will be ECN. The currency is USD, then the leverage is 1/1000. Then we're going to click on finish registration. So a message will be sent to my email that I've registered, and I also need to activate my account. Okay, so you can see it right here. I'm just going to click on login to client area. Okay, so I'm going to be imputing my email and my password, and my email and password is also sent to my Gmail. Okay, so I can just go ahead to go and copy it. I can copy my password from there and the email you use in opening the account. So that's what we're going to be using, as you can see it right here. So I'm just going to copy my email and my password. Yes, so I'm just going to impute it right here. Then I'll click on login. Okay, so as you can see, it's loading. So I'm logged in already. I'm logged in. So this is what the site looks like. Okay, so I've gotten my trading account details, and it will also be sent to my email. So it's either you copy it from here, or you can go right to your email to also copy it from there. Okay, so the next thing for us to do now is to activate our bonus code. Okay, so we're just going to click on promotion and bonuses. Yes, so that's what we're going to do next. We'll just click on it. Okay, so you can see it right here. So we're going to click on activate our bonus code. Then the bonus code is WOW50, WOW, then 50. Okay, so once you're done imputing it, then you just click on activate. Okay, so you can see it is activating. So congratulations, welcome bonus 50 promotion has been activated on my trading account. Okay, so my bonus is activated right here, and an email is already sent to me that my $50 bonus is activated. Okay, so you can see it right here. So the $50 has been credited into my trading account, and the bonus will be valid for 7 days, and you can withdraw your profits every 2 weeks while making transaction on this account. Okay, so this is it right here. So if you want to get more information about this bonus, or you want to see the terms and conditions, you're just going to click on this link right here. You can see it right here, link. So once you click on the link, it's going to bring out all the terms and conditions that you need to know about this bonus and how to withdraw from it. Okay, so we're just going to click on that link right there. So once we click on it, as you can see, it's loading. So it's going to bring out all the terms and conditions that we need to know. So this is it right here. The promotion is not available for clients from Indonesia. Okay, so we're just going to scroll down. We're going to scroll down to get the terms and conditions. Okay, so you can see it right here. The promotion is valid from May 15th to December 25th. And you can see that promotion is available only to new clients. Okay, then you can see the promotion applies to MetaTrader 4. You can see it right here. And the bonus $50 is reflected in the credit field. Yeah, and the bonus is valid for 7 calendar days, like I said before. So all these are the terms and conditions, so you can just go through it. Yes, you can go through it if you want to know more about the $50 bonus, and if you want to withdraw, if you want to be able to withdraw from it, you just need to go through it. Okay, so all these are the terms and conditions, so just make sure you go through it. Okay, so now we're going to be logging into MT4 to claim the bonus. Yes, we're making use of MT4, MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. Okay, so I'm going to copy my login details from my email. Yes, I'll be copying my ID and my password from my email. It has been sent to my email already. So I'm just going to copy it and go over to MetaTrader 4. Okay, so I'm going to go over to MetaTrader 4 to input my login ID and my password. Okay, so this is it right here. We're going to type MT4. We're making use of MT4 and not MT5, not MetaTrader 5. Okay, so we're just going to click on trade and click on this plus sign button. Click on log into an existing account. Okay, so once we do that, then we're going to be imputing the name of the broker, which is Fresh Forex. Okay, I made a mistake here, so I'm just going to delete it and impute the real one, which is Fresh Forex. Okay, then we're going to click on Fresh Forex Real. Yes, real, not demo. So we'll click on it. Then I'm going to be imputing my login ID and my password. So like I said before, we're going to go and copy it. So we'll copy our login ID and our login password. Okay, so after pasting it, we're just going to click on sign in. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten the $50 no deposit bonus. You can see it right here. Okay, so I'm going to be trading with it. Yes, I'm going to be trading it. I'll place a trade on it. You can use any currency pair of your choice. Okay, so I'll be making use of SAU USD. Okay, so I'm going to place a trade on it. Okay, so you can see it right here. Okay, so the bonus is still available, so go and claim yours right now. And if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.